Diabetes is a common condition in which your blood sugar level rises. This happens when your pancreas stops producing insulin or when your body is not able to use insulin present. Here in this video, we are providing you 2 excellent green smoothies to kill diabetes. Number 1. Spinach, pineapple, banana, and almond milk smoothie. Spinach has been shown to lower the risk of developing diabetes. It has a rich amount of fiber and low in calories. Pineapple is enriched with antioxidants, enzymes, vitamins, and minerals that help to control blood sugar levels. Bananas are high in antioxidants, providing protection from free radicals and chronic diseases, including diabetes. Almond milk is a good source of antioxidant. It helps strengthen heart and maintain normal pressure. You will need 1 cup of spinach, some pineapple chunks, a large banana, 1 cup of almond milk. Blend all these ingredients on high speed until smooth. Pour this smoothie into a glass and enjoy this smoothie to control diabetes. Drink this smoothie daily. Number 2. Aloe Vera, Turmeric and Bay leaf smoothie. According to the studies, aloe vera gel is a very powerful component in combating diabetes because it is loaded with phytosterols, which have anti-hyperglycemic effects and can seriously benefit people suffering from type 2 diabetes. Turmeric helps reduce insulin resistance and improves glucose control, so it is great for controlling diabetes. Consuming bay leaves also lowers your chances of developing diabetes. Mix a teaspoon of all 3 and blend with water. Drink 2 times a day. This should lower your fasting blood glucose levels.